morning, children. I am your math teacher. How are you all? Are you safe at home? Yes. Are you drinking more and more water, children? Yes, I know that. You are drinking more and more water. Children, every day drink 15 glasses of water because this is summer season, children. Yes, I know that you are doing well at home. Yeah, today I am going to take a mathematics class for class 4. Right, children? And I am going to start our textbook lessons in textbook chapters. Today I am going to start our chapter 1, children. Yeah, carefully go through the class. Now, children, please keep your notebook ready to note down. Yes? Yeah, before going to start our chapter, shall we have a small recap on the previous class, children? Yes. Yeah, children, tell me what you have learned from the previous class. Yes, we learned about place values of 3-digit number, 4-digit number and 5-digit number, right? And face values also, and expanded form of a number, right? Yeah. So today, before going to start my chapter, shall we go with the example, children? Yes, then take example 1632. 1632. What digit number is it, children? Yes, it is a 4-digit number. 4-digit number. Then tell me, children, what are the places? A 4-digit number has 4 places. What are those? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Yes, a 4-digit number shows 4 places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Now, children, tell me how to read this number. How to read this 4-digit number? Yeah, it depends on its places. Yeah, it is 1632. What is this? Everyone repeat after me. 1632. So write down the number name. Number name. It is 1632. 1632. Understood, children? Everyone repeat after me. 1632. 1632. Now I am going to write place values for this number. Take that number 1632. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So what is the place value of 2? Yes, as 2 is in ones place, 2's place value is 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. 2's place value is 2 because 2 is in ones position. Place values means digits positions. So 2 is in ones place, ones position. So 2's place value is 2 ones are 2. As 3 is in tens place, 3's place value 3 into 10. How much, children? Yes, 3 tens are 30. 30 is the place value of 3. Next, what is the place value of 6? Yes, 6 is in hundreds place. So 6 place value is 6 into 100. How much, children? Yes, you are right. 600 is the place value of 6. 6 is in hundreds place. So 600 is the place value of 6. Next, come to the 1. 1 is in thousands place. Then what is the place value of 1? 1 into 1000. How much, children? Yes, 1000. 1000 is the place value of 1. 2 is in ones place. 2's place value is 2. 3 is in tens place. 3's place value is 3 tens are 30. 6 is in hundreds place. 6's place value is 6 into 100. 600 is the place value of 6. 1 is in thousands place. 1 into 1000. 1000 is the place value of 1. Right, children? Now what is the expanded form of this number? Expanded form. What is expanded form of this number? Expanded form of this number. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So, what is meant by expanded form? What is an expanded form? What is expanded form? Expanded form means the sum of all place values of the digits in that number, right? Expanded form means sum of the place values. So, what is expanded form? Expanded form means expanded form is the way of writing a number to show the sum of the values of its digits. Sum of the place values of that digits is a expanded form. Sum of the place values of that digits is an expanded form. So for example, 762. 7's place value is 700 plus 6 place value is 6 tens are 60. 2's place value is 2 ones are 2. So it is expanded form of this number. Understood, children? Expanded form means sum of all place values of that digits in that number. So here expanded form of this number means just we need to take the total of the place values, right? So just add all place values of that digits. So from down to up we need to write here. So 1 is in thousands place. What is its place value? Yes, 1000. 1000 is the place value of 1. 6 is in hundreds place. What is the place value of 6? 600 is the place value of 6. 3 is in tens place. What is the place value of 3? 3 tens are 30 is the place value of 3. And next, 2 is in ones place. What is place value of 2? Already we wrote. That is 2 ones are 2. So here we took sum of the place values of different digits. So this is expanded form of this number. Have you understood, children? Yes. Now tell me, children, what is greatest 4-digit number? What is greatest 4-digit number? Yes, it is 9999. 9999 is the greatest 4-digit number, right? Places write down, children. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. Now add 1 to this greatest 4-digit number. What do you get? 9 plus 1 is 10. So 0 write in ones place. Carry over is forwarded to the next place. That is to the tens place. Now 1 plus 9 is a 10. 0 write in tens place. Carry over is forwarded to the next place. That is to the hundreds place. So 1 plus 9 is 10. 0 write in hundreds place. Carry over is forwarded to the thousands place. 1 plus 9 is again 10. What is this number, children? How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many digits are there? 5 digits are there. So it is a 5-digit number. It is a 5-digit number. 5 digits are there. Now children, tell me, 9999 after what number will come? Yes, 10,000. It is 10,000. What are the places? Shall we write the places? Yeah, 0 is in which place? Ones place. 0 is in ones place. This is tens place. This is hundreds place. This is in thousands place. And 1 is in 10,000s place. So here what is a new place? A new place is added here, that is 10,000s place. A new place is 10,000s place. So 10,000 is a 5-digit number and it is the smallest 5-digit number. 10,000 is a smallest 5-digit number. Right, children? Now children, tell me, what is the greatest 5-digit number? Yes, we need to take 5 nines. 1, 2, 3, 5. So 99,999 is the greatest 5-digit number, right? It is greatest 5-digit number. Greatest 5-digit number. What are the places? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. We need to write the places always from right to left. Did you remember it, children? Yes. So here 5 places. A 5-digit number shows 5 places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, and 10,000s place. Children, here how to put a comma? So we need to put a comma after each period. After each and every period we need to put a comma. So here hundreds, tens, ones together, ones, tens, hundreds together form one group, one period, that is ones period, that is known as ones period. That is known as ones period. And next thousands and 10,000s. Thousands, 10,000 together form one group, that is known as thousands period. Understood, children? So each and every period after we need to put the comma. So if you put a comma, it is very easy to read a number. Yes, children? Yeah. So now I am going to add 1 to this number. I am going to add 1 to this number. Now 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 right here. 1 is the carry over. 1 plus 9 is 10. 0 right here. 1 is the carry over, forwarded to the next place. 1 plus 9 is 10. 0 right here. 1 is the carry over. 1 plus 9 is 10. 0 right here. 1 is the carry over. 1 plus 9 is 10. Children, tell me, what digit number is it? Yes, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a 6-digit number. It is a 6-digit number. So 99,999 after what number will come, children, tell me? Yes, it is 1 lakh. How much is this? 1 lakh. So 1 lakh is a 6-digit number. That too, smallest 6-digit number. This is 1 lakh is the smallest 6-digit number. Now what are the places? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, and a new place is going to be added here. That is lakhs place. What is the new place added here? Lakhs place. So a 6-digit number shows 6 places. What are those? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, and the new place is lakhs place, right? So what are the periods here? Again, here we know that ones, tens, hundreds together form one group, that is known as ones period. That is ones period. And thousands, 10,000 together is known as one period, that is thousands period. Next one is lakhs. So lakhs and 10 lakhs. Lakhs, 10 lakhs together form one group, that is lakhs period. Understood, children? So lakhs is another group. So in Hindu-Arabic system, we will follow these periods. Understood, children? In Hindu-Arabic system, in our Indian system, we put the commas by following these periods. Understood, children? So if you put a comma, it is very easy to read a number. Understood, children? Yeah, put a comma here. Yes, it is 1 lakh. Understood, children? Yes. Now, children, tell me, what is the greatest 6-digit number? Greatest means we need to write how many nines? 6 nines. Write down. Yes. Places: ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs place. Right? So how to put comma? So lakhs period after we need to put the comma because it is one period, and thousands period is one period. So after thousands period we need to put comma, and this three together form one group, that is ones period. So this is greatest 6-digit number, 9,99,999. What is greatest 6-digit number? 9,99,999 is the greatest 6-digit number. So these 5-digit number and 6-digit numbers are the larger numbers. So today we are going to learn about place values of larger numbers. That is our chapter 1. What is our chapter 1? Chapter 1 is place values of larger numbers. Larger numbers. This is our chapter 1. Yes, children. And then tell me a 5-digit number. 62819 is a 5-digit number, right, children? Now, what are the places? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, and 10,000s place. How to read this number? Where I have to put the comma? After each and every period, I need to put the comma. So here, after thousands period, I put a comma. So it is how to read this one now? Everyone repeat after me. It is 62,819. 62,819. So write down the number name for this 5-digit number. Number name. Number name of this 5-digit number is 62,819. 62,819. 62,819. This is number name of this number. Now, shall we write the place values? Place values. What is that number? 62819. 62,819. So write down the places first. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. What are the place values, children? Yeah. Tell me. As 9 is in which place? Ones place. What is the place value of 9? 9 into 1. 9 ones are 9 is the place value of 9. As 1 is in tens place. What is the place value of 1? 1 into 10. 1 into 10. How much, children? 10. 10 is the place value of 1. As 8 is in which place? Hundreds place. Then what is its place value? 8 into 100. 8 into 100 is equal to how much, children? Yes, 800 is the place value of 8. Next, 2 is in which place? Thousands place. So what is the place value of 2? 2 into 1000. 2000 is the place value of 2. 6 is in 10,000's place. What is the place value of 6? 6 into how much, children? Yes, 10,000. 6 into 10,000. 60,000. How much children? 60,000 is the place value of 6. 9's place value is 9 ones are 9. 1's place value is 1 into 10. 10 is the place value of 1. 8's place value is 8 is in hundreds place. So 8 into 100. 800 is the place value of 8. 2's place value is 2 into 1000. 2000 is the place value of 2. 6 is in 10,000's place. 6 into 10,000. How much children? Yes, you are right. 60,000 is the place value of 6. Understood children? Shall we write expanded form of this number? Yes, write down expanded form. What is that number? 62,819. Expanded form of this number 62,890. So 1's place, 10's place, 100's place, 1000's place and 10,000's place. So what is the place value of 6? 6 is in 10,000's place. Its place value is 60,000 plus 2 is in thousands place. Its place value is how much children? 2,000 plus 8 is in which place? Hundreds place. So its place value is 8 into 100. 800 plus 1 is in tens place. What is its place value? 10. 1 into 10, 10. 9 is in ones place. What is its place value children? 9 ones are 9. So this is expanded form of this number. Have you understood children? Very good. Now we will go for a 6-digit number. Yeah, quickly note it down children. Now take a 6-digit number. Yes, it is a 6-digit number. First write down the places. 1's place, 10's place, 100's place, 1000's place, 10,000's place and lakhs place. What is the new place here? Lakhs place. Now put the commas. I said that after each and every period we need to put the comma in according to Hindu Arabic system. Yes. So after lakhs place we need to put the comma. After thousands place we need to put the comma. Now read the number children. What is this number? Yeah, everyone repeat after me. It is a 3,80,129. What is this number? 3,80,129. Yeah, write down the number name. What is the number name? Yeah, everyone write along with me. 3 lakh. 3 lakh 80,000. 80,129. Three lakh 80,129. Once again read all of you. 3,80,129 is a 6-digit number, a larger number. Yes, now write the place values. What are place values? What is that number? 3,80,129. Now first write down the places. It is very easy to write place values. 1's place, 10's place, 100's place, 1000's place, 10,000's place, lakhs place. Yes, 6 places. A 6-digit number shows 6 places. Yeah, start writing. As 9 is in 1's place. What is the place value of 9? 9 into 1. 9 ones are 9. 9 ones are 9 is the place value of 9. 2 is in tens place. What is the place value of 2? 2 into 10. 2 tens are how much, children? 20. 20 is the place value of 2. Next, as 1 is in hundreds place. 1 into 100. How much? Yeah. 100 is the place value of 1. Next, what is the place value of 0? 0 is in thousands place. So 0 into 1000. What is the answer, children? When a number is multiplied by 0, answer is always 0. So 0 is the place value of 0. 0's place value is always 0. What is the place value of 3? 3 is in which place? Lakhs place. So 3 into 1 lakh. Sorry, first 8. Write down the 8 first. So 8 is in 10,000's place. What is the place value of 8? 8 into 10,000. 8 is in 10,000's place. Place value of 8 is 8 into 10,000. 80,000 is the place value of 8. Next, what is the place value of 3? 3 is in lakhs place. 3 into 1 lakh. 1 lakh means how many zeros we need to write? 5 zeros. So 3 into 1 lakh. What is the answer, children? 3 lakhs. So these are the place values of this number. Understood, children? Yes. Now shall we write an expanded form for this number? Yes. Expanded form. Expanded form of 3,80,129. What is expanded form? Sum of the place values, right? So ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs place. 3 is in lakhs place. What is the place value of 3? 3 is in lakhs place. What is the place value of 3? 3 lakhs. Plus 8 is in 10,000's place. What is the place value of 8? 80,000. Plus 0 is in thousands place. What is the place value of 0? 0 only. Plus 1 is in hundreds place. What is the place value of 1? 100. Plus 2 is in tens place. What is the place value of 2? 2 tens are 20. Plus 9 is in ones place. What is the place value of 9? 9 ones are 9. So what I did here? I just added the place values of that digits. So it is expanded form of this number. Understood, children? Yeah, note it down, children, all of you. Yeah. Now I want to take some examples from our textbook. I want to take some textbook examples now. Page number 95, exercise number 1.1, first bit. See, I am doing now. I will show you. Yes, page number 95, exercise number 1.1. See bit I am doing now. Okay, children? Yes. What is this bit, children? Here, now I am going to represent a number on the abacus tool. Understood, children? What is abacus tool? So, we will see. Yeah, note it down. abacus tool. This is known as tool abacus. Now here write down the places: ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. And here in ones place, how many beads are there? 8 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 beads. In tens place, there are no beads. In hundreds place, there are no beads. Thousands place, there are no beads. And in 10,000s place, how many beads are there? 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beads are given. Yes, children? So this is tool abacus. So how to write a number using this tool abacus? So write down the number. What is that number? How to write? Check. 10,000s place. Yeah. In ones place, how many beads are there? Count everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 beads are there in ones place. In tens place, how many beads are there? There are no beads. So write 0. In hundreds place, how many beads are there? There are no beads. So write 0. In thousands place, how many beads are there? No beads. So write down 0. In come to the 10,000s place, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write down 6. Then what is this number, children? What is this number? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a 5-digit number. So it is 60,008. What is this? 60,008. Now write down the number name. Number name is 60,000. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. So it is a 60,000. 60,008. Have you understood, children? Note it down, children, please. In this way, we will represent a number on tool abacus. Okay, children? Yes. Shall we take another example? Yes, I will show you. Now, page number 96. A bit we are doing. Page number 96. A bit we are doing now. A bit we are doing now. Page number 96. Second problem. A bit we are doing now. What is that problem? I will read. 43,000 43,321. 43,321. Now, how to represent this number on tool abacus? Yeah, first write down the number. What is this number? 43,000. So 43,321. 321 is a 5-digit number. What is that number? 43,321 is a 5-digit number. Write down the places: ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, and 10,000s place. Now, how to represent this number on tool abacus? Yeah. So, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. Now, come to the ones place. In ones place, what is that number? 1. Mean we need to draw only one bead. Understood, children? In tens place, what is the number? 2 is there. So draw 2 beads. Next, in hundreds place, what is the number? 3 is there. So how many beads we need to draw? 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. Next, in thousands place also, how many beads are there? What is the number? 3. So draw 3 beads. In hundreds place, 3 beads because number is 3. In thousands place also 3 only. Okay? Because the number is 3. Come to the 10,000s place. What is the number? 4 is there. So draw 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this way, we will represent a number. What is that number? 4,300. Sorry, 43,321. 43,321. Have you understood, children? Yes. In this way, we will represent a number on 2 abacus also. Yeah. Shall we do a activity now? A small exercise we are going to do now. Everyone, please observe it and give me the answers. Yeah. Now we are going to do this exercise here. Write the place value of the underlined digits. Okay, children? So what is this number here? First write down the places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. It is a 5-digit number. So it is 40,936. So here 6 is underlined here. So what is the place value of 6? 6 is in ones place. What is the place value of 6? 6 1 are 6. So 6 is the answer here. 6 is in ones place. What is place value of 6? 6 1 are 6. Now come to the second number. So write down the places first. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place and lakhs place. Then read this number, children. What is this number? Yes, it is 9,21,456. 9,21,456. So here 2 is underlined. So we underline the 2. So what is the place value of 2? As a 2 is in 10,000s place. What is the place value of 2? 2 into 10,000. How much, children? Is equal to 2 into 10,000 is equal to how much, children? 20,000. So 2's place value is 20,000. Next, come to the next number. What is the place value of 7? First write down the places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs place. What is this number? Read this number, children. Everyone repeat after me. It is 7,10,581. So here 7 is underlined. So what is the place value of 7? 7 is in which place, children? 7 is in lakhs place. What is the place value of 7? Answer is 7 into 1 lakh. 1 lakh means how many zeros we need to write? 5 zeros. So how much? What is the answer? 7 into 1 lakh is equal to? Yes, 7 lakhs. 7 lakhs is the answer. Understood, children? 7 lakhs. Next, fill in the blanks. So here expanded form is given. We need to write the number for it. Okay, children, expanded form this is. So first write down the places. Easily you will get an idea. So ones place, tens place. It is in hundreds place. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit number. 6 digit number means it is lakhs place. So what is missed here? Thousands and 10,000s place is missed, right? So write down the number. It is 1 lakh. What is the answer? 1 lakh. Thousands place means zeros, 2 zeros, because thousands and 10,000s place is missed. And how many hundreds are there? 2 hundreds. 110, 9. Right, children? 1 lakh 219. What is that number? 1 lakh 219. Next, here number name is given. We need to write the number. Okay? Read this number, children, everyone. 2,60,082. What is this number? 2,60,082. So write down 2 lakh. How many thousands? 60,000. 60 lakh. 60,000. 82. So here hundreds place is missed. So put 0 in hundreds place and write down 82. Two lakh 60,082. Now come to the next problem, children. Here we need to fill the blanks. Expanded form is given, corresponding number we need to write. So here it is 80,000. Next, missed place. This is hundreds place. Write down the places. Better you will get an idea. Yes. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place is missed. We need to fill now. It is 10,000s place. Right? 80,000. So here number is given in thousands place. What is the number? That number is 4 is given. So it is 4,000. 4,000. Now write down the number. It is 84,325. Lakhs place 8 is there. In thousands place 4 is there. Already they gave. And hundreds place 3 is there. 3. And in tens place 2 is there. 2. And in ones place 5 is there. 5. So 84,325. What is that number? 84,325. Next. So here expanded form is given. We need to fill the blanks. So it is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit number. It is a 5 digit number. So here ones place. What is the number in ones place? 2 is there. So write down 2 in ones place. Right? In ones place 2 is there. Right? 2. What is the next number? 4 means in tens place 4 is there. So write down 4 tens are 40 here. 4 tens are 40 here. Tens place. Next come to the hundreds place. What is there in hundreds place? What is that number? 8. How many hundreds are there? 800. So write down 800. In hundreds place write down 800. Next in thousands place what is the number? 4,000 means 4 is the number. So here write down 4. Thousands place 4 is the number. Next come to the 10,000s place. What is the number? 7 is there. So write down 7. So what is this number? It is 74,842. 74,842. Yes, children. Have you understood, children? Yes. Now I am going to give you assignment. Yeah, write down the homework, children. 95. Exercise number 1.1. First bit A comma B and page number 96. Second bit B comma C in notebook. So this is your homework, children. Do page number 95, exercise number 1.1. First bit A and B. Okay, and 96 in second bit B and C. Okay, children, please maintain one book and maintain the homework in that book. I will show you, children. Wait. So this is page number 95. So here you need to do which bit, children? A and B. A and B bit is your homework. And next, page number 96. Already we did the A bit. You do the B and C. Okay, children? Yes, practice all these problems, children. We will meet in the next class, children.